Alrighty, so here we are. We got a scrambler in the shop. I'm gonna take this winch off. We are putting one of these on. So I'm gonna swap it on here. I've had a couple issues. I haven't really had any issues with this winch, but we did have the switch accidentally get left on and it drained the battery and melted the wiring. We're gonna swap it off. We're gonna try this. I've got a couple of these. We're gonna try them on a couple different vehicles. I'm really looking forward to like testing them and trying them out and seeing what they do stacked against the expensive counterpart. But I'm all about price point. And my first winch ever was a Badlands winch. So I got no problem running them. And we just so happen to have Alan here from Yankum that's gonna put us some new cable or some new synthetic rope on this winch.
Sweet.
Yeah.
This will be fun.
Alrighty. So there we are. I kept my control inside so I can operate the winch right there, or I have the wireless remote that we can use that outside, which this Jeep's never had a remote.
Yeah.
So just having a remote would be super handy. We're heading back into Elephant Hill yet again. So this time we got the Scrambler and Wiley on duty. We got Mike on the camera. We got Sean and the customer and Wiley. We're heading in here. It's what do you say, 96 Land Rover Discovery. It sounds like he's only got front wheel drive. So we're gonna drag him up out of there. So here we go.
Jeep, go down.
See, look, we're fitting the description.
Yeah, see, look. Jeep, down.
Jeep down.
Jeep down, go. Coming up on the squeeze here soon.
Yeah. About to get very squeezy in here.
Right? Yeah, it's gonna get tight for us, isn't it?
Nah.
There's our vehicle. All right, so tell us what happened.
So basically I was coming down and making that turn.
Okay.
And on the far right where his front tire was, I got my rear diff caught up. We winched off the tree that's at the backup to my rear hitch.
Okay.
pulled me up back up off the rock, and then I was able to make my way down. And then when I turned around to go back up, I only have front wheel drive.
Bummer. All right. Dang, look at that super loop. Look at the range on that one.
We'll see how it does between here and Elephant Hill, but at Elephant Hill we may lighten her up.
Casing gear. Hold up. Okay, easy. Up on the obstacles, so we don't want to snap anything else and lose that advantage. So a lot of people might wonder why on stuff like this I don't put Sean or Mike in the rig. Well, it's one of those deals, like this isn't a technical recovery. We're just pulling them out, and honestly, if he wants to do this stuff, he needs to know, like, he needs to learn to be pulled and how to, you know, pull and stuff like that, and the whole dynamic that goes in with it. So it's better to have the customer do it. It's his vehicle, and then he's learning, like, you know, how to keep the rope tight, how to do this. It's helping him with his off-road experience anyway. So that's my thought. That's my take on it.
There, we got the winch set up if we need to help him up.
Okay.
But he should be able to back up here.
I would think so.
There you go, there you go. Turn, driver. Okay, come back. Okay, straighten her up. Hold right there, hold right there. There you go. Nicely done. So like I said, going up around here, if I start struggling a little, give it a little gas forward. We don't want the tires to spin because we don't want to break anything in the front. Like that's helping get the front end up onto obstacles and helping out. But if it's spinning and then it grabs traction, we could snap something else. So let's just take it slow and easy.
We cut him loose, and he is driving himself back there because it's downhill.
Dude, I know you.
I know you guys.
I know you.
See you guys on YouTube.
right, we have made it to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Good there. Park, e-brake, all that fun stuff. Out, Sean.
So there we are. See that? It's on the trailer. Look at that. So we're gonna haul it back to town. Yeah, I'm gonna drive the Scrambler back to town. And they're gonna drive my truck back to town.
Dang, dude. It's a long drive.
So that, like I said, from our Elephant Hill recoveries, that one went pretty smooth, considering all the ones we've had to carry out of there. So that was way better. Like I said, taking the narrow rig so we could shoot through the squeeze saves a lot of time. So there we are. Anything else? Did I forget something, Mike?
No, I think
Mike's usually pretty good at telling me I forgot something.
yeah, it's my job.
Anyway, thanks for watching.